How to see old Google Maps street views. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, you can just tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen and give the option of street view on the map details. Now you have selected the map street view. So all you have to do is tap on the search bar and search for the location over here. As you search for the location, tap on any random location for your example. Now all you have to do is you can see over here at the bottom, you can see different pictures. So you can see different pictures that has been clicked over a period of time. So this particular picture was taken a year ago. Next we can see 2 years ago, and you can see different pictures taken at different time zone. So this was taken 2 years ago as well. This was taken a year back, and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.